Hey, today we're making butter. I'm going to start with 2 pints of heavy cream. Or a quart, if you can find a quart. Dork quart. Get a good speed to medium speed to start. Gonna let this go for a couple of minutes. Old blender with my grandmother's. Nothing like homemade butter. Can't compare it to the taste of the butter in the store. It's so much better. First we're gonna get whipped cream. And at the end there's gonna be a little surprise. Alright, it's starting to thicken a little bit now. We want it to thicken, and then we want it to get watery at the end. Okay, if you look now, it's getting really thick. Now's the time to add some salt. We'll check it later for the salt. That's beautiful. Still not butter yet though. It's got a ways to go before it's butter. You're going to start to see a liquid water form around the outside. That's when you know we're getting close. I'm going to check this one more time. Ooh, check this one more time. For salt. I think that's enough salt. Just gonna scrape these sides down a little bit. Still not butter. See, now it's starting to look different. Not there yet. Getting wet now. I'm starting to there's juice coming out of it. Now we're getting close. See all, whoa, see all the liquid? Splashing. Look at this. Look at the bottom. See all that juice? Now we're getting our butter. I think we're done. There's our butter. And at the bottom is our buttermilk, which tomorrow I'm gonna make pancakes with it, or mashed potatoes tonight, because there's nothing like buttermilk pancakes. Okay. Put this in the strainer. Pour our buttermilk through. Let that drip for a minute. And there's our beautiful buttermilk.